Have you ever wondered how the wealthiest 1% manage their money? What secrets do they know that you don't? In today's video, we're diving deep into the financial strategies of the ultra-wealthy. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable steps to start managing your money like the 1%. So, grab a notebook and stay tuned because this information could change your financial future. First, let's talk about mindset. The 1% have a unique way of thinking about money. They see it as a tool, not a goal. Do you know what that means? It means that they focus on what money can do for them rather than simply accumulating it. This shift in perspective is crucial. Imagine if you started seeing money as a means to create opportunities, rather than just a number in your bank account. How would that change your approach to saving and investing? Budgeting is not just for those living paycheck to paycheck, it's a powerful tool for the wealthy as well. The 1% allocate their resources meticulously. They ensure that every dollar has a purpose. Here's a breakdown of a typical budget strategy used by the wealthy. Living expenses. This includes housing, utilities, groceries, and other essentials. For the wealthy, this usually accounts for 30 to 50% of their income. Savings and investments. This is where they really focus. At least 20 to 30% of their income goes into savings and various investment vehicles. Debt repayment. They prioritize paying off high-interest debt quickly. Discretionary spending. They enjoy their wealth but within limits. This includes entertainment, dining out, and luxury items, usually around 10 to 20% of their income. Have you ever considered breaking down your budget this way? What if you could save and invest like the wealthy, even on a smaller scale? The wealthy invest wisely and strategically. They don't just save money, they make it work for them. Here's how they do it. Diversification. They spread their investments across different asset classes, stocks, bonds, real estate, and even alternative investments like art and startups. Why? Because diversification reduces risk, long-term focus. The wealthy think in decades, not days. They understand the power of compound interest and patiently let their investments grow. Continuous learning. They stay informed about market trends, new investment opportunities, and financial strategies. They read books, attend seminars, and consult with financial advisors. Do you see a pattern here? It's about being proactive and informed. What if you started investing a portion of your income today? Even small amounts can grow significantly over time. One key strategy of the 1% is having multiple income streams. They don't rely on just one source of income. Here are a few examples. Active income. This is their primary job or business, but they don't stop here. Passive income. They invest in rental properties, dividend stocks, or start side businesses that require minimal effort to maintain. Portfolio income generated from investments such as stocks, bonds, and other financial instruments. Imagine if you could create multiple streams of income. How much more secure and financially free would you feel? It's not just about working harder, but working smarter. The 1% know how to leverage debt to their advantage. They distinguish between good debt and bad debt. Good debt. This includes loans for investments that will generate income or appreciate in value, such as real estate or business loans. Bad debt. This includes high-interest credit card debt or loans for depreciating assets. By using debt strategically, they can grow their wealth faster. Have you ever thought about how you could use debt to your advantage rather than seeing it as a burden? Tax efficiency is another critical area where the wealthy excel. They take advantage of every legal tax break and incentive available. Here are some strategies they use. Tax-deferred accounts. They maximize contributions to retirement accounts like 401(k)s or IRAs. Capital gains strategies. They hold investments long enough to benefit from lower long-term capital gains tax rates. Deductions and credits. They use deductions for business expenses, charitable donations, and more to reduce their taxable income. Are you utilizing all the tax advantages available to you? It might be time to consult with a tax professional to ensure you're not leaving money on the table. Lastly, the wealthy never stop learning. They understand that the financial world is always evolving. They read books, attend workshops, and continually seek to improve their financial literacy. What are you doing to educate yourself about money management? There are countless resources available today, from books and podcasts to online courses and financial advisors. Now that you have a glimpse into the financial strategies of the 1%, it's time to take action. Start by implementing just one of these strategies and see how it transforms your financial life. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay committed, stay informed, and most importantly, stay proactive. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. And don't forget to share this video with friends and family who might benefit from these insights. Let's all aim to manage our money like the 1% and create a prosperous future together. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.